you're recording. What is my average speed for the whole trip? Whoops. Now I'm using a new word here. I'm using an old word that we haven't talked about in about a day, and a brand new word. Average, which is kind of like an old friend that's going to keep coming up, and then speed. Speed. What is speed going to be defined as?
Distance.
Say that again.
Distance over time.
Absolutely. It's distance over time. That's what speed. It's got a bunch of different names in mathematics. Sometimes it's called rate of change. I think one of you guys actually used this phrase, rate of change. Sometimes we can call that ROC if you want to, rate of change, just to make it shorthand. Plus it makes it for fun acronyms later. Rate of change, speed, velocity. I think Brittany used that one last time, velocity. I'm going to give her credit for it even if she didn't. But by definition, when you're marking something speed or rate of change or velocity, whatever you want to call it, the formula or the function is simply, or the idea, not like a formula, the idea is just whatever your distance is divided by whatever your time is. Whatever your distance is over whatever your time is. So all you've got to do for whatever time increment I'm asking about is figure out how much distance I covered and divide it by how long it took me to do that. Fair enough? Don't overthink this. Overthinking this is a guaranteed way to confuse the rest of the day for you. I don't want to do that. So how much distance did I cover?
200 feet.
200 feet. How long did it take me?
9.69
seconds. So my average rate of change, or my average speed for the whole trip, is simply going to be 200 feet divided, I'm not going to do that one, do this. 200 feet, there we go, divided by 9.69 seconds. Notice the unit on this result. Feet per second. Now 200 feet over 9.69 seconds is fine. The problem is, when we talk about speeds, what do we usually talk about?
miles per hour.
Yes, why don't we put it in miles per hour, shall we? I think that makes the most sense. Now some of you are looking a little bit scared right now. The next project will walk you through quite a bit of the functionality of doing this. You have to get the, I'm not going to do that, we're going to use Google. We're going to use Google to do this. If the project walks you through the mathematics I'm about to do now. But hopefully you realize that Google can do this kind of math for you.